Metadata Utility bulk update process. From the main switchboard, click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility bulk update process. Once the Metadata Utilities bulk updates process is opened, we'll see that we have a simple and easy to use interface that allows us to update any of the Path Builder 1 or 2 accordingly. For this particular example, we're going to update records based on the location Path Builder 2. We're going to update records located in UQ/WMedia. Therefore, we will select that Path Builder 2 and click on Search. This will return all available records found on that particular Path Builder drop-down menu. For this particular example, we have only one movie. That said, as we said, we are also able to search by using both path builders. In this particular case, if we actually search by the network attached storage, which we have here by IP address, as well as the Path Builder 2, we will also be able to return, in this particular example, the same record, as we have only one movie stored in that particular location. In order to select records, we can either click on the Select field to select all records, or we can simply click on the checkbox on those records that we wish to update. Once that has been completed, then we can proceed to update the applicable records to the new location to which we have migrated the movies. In this particular case, we see that we don't have the new path updated in the drop-down menu. Therefore, we will double-click to open the menu list of Path Builder 2. Once that is opened, we will click on Add New, followed by confirming on the message to add or edit list, selecting Yes, which will place Path Builder to drop-down list in edit mode. Then we simply go to an available field and double-click on it and proceed to enter the new location of where the movies are actually now stored. Once that has been completed, then we can simply click on Close. And then we will be able to have that new drop-down menu as an option to select, as we see here. Once that has been selected, we can simply click on the update button at the bottom right hand corner of the Metadata Utility bulk update process tool, and Metadata Utility will prompt immediately to confirm. In this particular example, is showing we have selected one record that will be updated from QQ/WMedia, going to be updated to QQ/WMedia new. This particular case, if we are satisfied with the selection that we've made, we will click on yes. And then we received a confirmation message that the record or records that we have selected have been updated, followed by a confirmation request whether we want to go to the selected records queue to verify the changes. We select yes, then Metadata Utilities bulk update process will close, and the main application will be opened, or if it's already opened, then the main application will go automatically into the selected records queue, where we will be able to evaluate and make sure that the actual changes indeed have taken place. Then from that point, it's just as simple as going into Metadata Utilities merge process and synchronize the information with Windows Media Center. For any other questions regarding this topic or any other topics with regard to functionality in Metadata Utility, we welcome of our users to either click on any of our available videos that we have online, as well as to visit our website, where we have detailed instructions step by step, as well as detailed and extensive FAQ sections, how-to sections, troubleshooting sections with regard to any of the functionalities and capabilities that are built in Metadata Utility. Our website is metadatautility.com. We thank you for watching.